Can an algorithmic penalty be recovered if I turn it into a Shopify site or ecom? And so I'm not laughing at you because it's a completely valid question, actually. And I'm laughing because there's been a lot of funny talk about this kind of thing on Twitter, where people are basically saying, um, if you have like an ads based website or an affiliate website or ads and affiliate, just like go put a shopping cart icon on your top menu bar and say that you're like selling stuff now, and like this is gonna fix everything. um, and so I think Google does look at this stuff. So one of the things I've been posting about pretty regularly now for maybe the past like a few months or so is the idea of monetization diversity. So monetization diversity is like how your website is making money. So I think Google, basically, if you are only making money with affiliate links and advertising, I think I think there might be some kind of filter that Google applies to your site and says, "Hey, we're going to look at this site more, we're going to look at you like more closely than we would at a website who is making money in other ways. Like maybe they sell some of their own products, or maybe they're an agency like us at Sir Links a lot, where we provide all of these other services and blah blah blah. So I think Google sees these kind of things as much more legitimate versus a lot of ads-based websites and affiliate-based websites, which, if we're being quite honest, most of the people, if they're doing affiliate, like they don't buy the products, they're not real reviews, they're kind of like getting the content from elsewhere, rewriting it. I'm not knocking the game. I know the game, I've got sites like this myself. I'm just saying Google clearly has identified what they see as a problem, and I think it's a kind of a smart way of going about it. But I think, like you're kind of mentioning here, I think SEOs and people in general are quite smart, and they'll start kind of like trying to find little ways around it like this. Like, so why, you could even try doing stuff like adding like a little digital course on your website. Like, you sell like a digital course or some kind of other like info products, like an ebook or something, or some kind of services like consulting or something like this, right? And so technically, you're not just an ads-based site anymore. And if you have enough of this kind of stuff like all over your website and your menu bars and stuff, then it could be a thing. And maybe Google won't be able to deal with that as well. I'm not really sure. This is like early days on all this shit. Uh, just keep in mind that as far as I can tell, no one has really figured out how to recover from the helpful content update yet, which was the update like quite a bit ago. And so if you're talking about like the most recent updates as well, there hasn't been nearly enough time, and it's getting like harder and harder, I think, to really figure this stuff out. Just the way Google's lumping everything together now and updating so many things at one time and so rapidly. So yeah, I think that monetization diversity is a good thing to look into, especially if you can do it like in a legitimate way. And in most cases, you can do it in a legitimate way. You can like create ebooks very easily using ChatGPT, even if you wanted to. I'm not recommending you do that, but I'm just saying some people do. And yeah, I think monetization diversity, along with other forms of diversity, like as well, like traffic diversity, where are you getting your traffic from? So if you want to get traffic from not just SEO, so if you can get traffic from video, if you can get it from social media, if you can get it from ads, you can get it from different like forums and shit, like people actually linking to you and with referral traffic, your email list, whatever. I think this adds a lot of credibility as well. I think this was actually surfaced in the Yandex leaks. Yandex looked at it was an actual ranking factor where they were saying if they get all their traffic from SEO, it's like a flag. It's like one thing to say, hey, we're going to look at you like more harder now, right? Um, so yeah, monetization diversity, traffic diversity, and if you can get people to actually search for your brand as well, like branded searches, it can be a really good thing as well. But yeah, so I'm not 100% sure. I can't tell you you're going to recover if you add a store onto your thing, but I would say it's a good, I would say I like the idea, and I would be looking into something like that myself if I was running purely an ads or affiliate based site. Yeah, I'd be looking into this stuff, but not just from an algorithmic perspective, but it's also good for a money perspective as well, right? What's better than making a little tiny money off of like ads or selling someone else's product is selling your own product. Like I don't know. If you're just an affiliate, you're just like reviewing other stuff. You're like selling someone else's product all day. They're making way more money than you. Start selling your own products if you can. And yeah, it's more difficult, but there's more money there, right? Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.